delicious. And then, kohlrabi salad. Today we're tackling the kohlrabi. Here it is, the most delicious, very unassuming vegetable. It comes in sort of a beautiful deep purple, and you see it's sort of light inside here. Now, it's kind of a brassica, belongs to cauliflower, broccoli. Actually tastes a bit like broccoli stems. Sort of like a turnip meets a broccoli stem. They are absolutely delicious and very seldom used, which I think is a train smash. You've got to peel them. Well, I say that. You don't have to peel them, but you'll see the skin is quite tough, so I always peel them. Now, the lovely thing about them is you can eat them cooked, raw. I sometimes boil them or steam them and just have them with butter and salt and pepper, just like a lovely vegetable. I've never roasted them, but I believe people do. I chuck them into soups and poikies. I do all sorts of things with them, really. Just think about it like having a whole lot of broccoli stems in one place, or a turnip, I suppose. Now, for today's action, we're just going to make a lovely little salad because I'm feeling quite lazy. It seemed like a good idea. Now, if you don't have one of these mandolins, never mind, just use a very sharp knife or a potato peeler. But this just makes it a lot simpler. A bit noisy. So it's just really for Trix and I this evening, but we just, so you see, so they're beautifully paper thin. Are you getting that, Trix? Mm-hmm. Look. So I'm just gonna put them in a bowl. You can do as many, or as it was lovely to add radish because the pink adds a nice sort of little look, and it's kind of the same sort of flavour. And then I was thinking that it would be really quite nice with a bit of salami because we just happen to be snacking on salami, Trix and I. Anyway, we're not going to have salami right now, but what we are going to do, and look, I mean, it's unbelievably crunchy. Oh, I absolutely love them. Right, simple as that. Some lovely Morton sea salt, or probably even better, some local Kohlrabi sea salt, because local is everything we should be doing right now. Bit of lemon. You could use white balsamic, that might be quite nice too, just that sweetness. Now don't dress this hours before because the crunch of kohlrabi is really kind of the sexy part. Use your best olive oil, please, for this affair, because it really is worth it. Bit of black pepper. My sister might say she'd like white pepper with this, but anyway, I'm not going to have that because I'm too lazy to have cover. And then we're just going to toss it about a bit. And what's your uncle, really? So as I say, you can steam it, boil it, roast it, cut it into chunks, put it into soups. We had it in a minestrone soup last weekend. It was absolutely delicious. And then, kohlrabi salad.